guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas holiday. I hope it was magical for you. And let me tell you, I want to see a raise of hands for anybody who got an Instant Pot. Because I did. And it's awesome. And I know some of you got the Instant Pot. You have to try it. You'll love it. You can even bake cake in there. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to bake a cake in the Instant Pot in the future. Well, tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and I know I'm going to be partying up. Lots of champagne, lots of music. I'm going to be out till 4 a.m. No, I'm not. My ass is going to be in bed by 8 p.m. Under the sheets, snuggling with my dogs. Happy New Year to me! So this week I'm going to be making a really cute champagne New Year's Eve cake. Let's do it! Yo! And yes, you may have noticed I'm a little nasally. I just can't get over this goddamn cold. Ugh, I hate it. And I'm such a baby when I'm sick. It's so true. All men are babies when we're sick. I just want to be cuddled and have hot soup made for me and bring me warm tea. Can somebody make me soup? So just starting out, I have 4 7-inch round chocolate cakes. I'm going to level them out, fill them with white American buttercream, stack them up. Let's do it. So I did decide to do a relatively tall cake. If you're not comfortable with doing tall cakes, then just leave a layer out. You'll have yourself a regular size cake. And I was also thinking this is going to be a champagne cake. I should have done like a champagne infused buttercream. If I were to have done that, I would have just made a plain American buttercream recipe. And then I just would have probably thrown in a ½ cup of bubbly champagne or pink champagne, something like that. You can also add in a little bit of color if that's what you want to go for. I'm going to go for plain white because this is going to be a white and gold cake. So I just filled my cheater bag with plain white buttercream and I have a container of really hot water and my spatula. We're just going to ice this entire cake. Starting from the top, just smoothing it out as best as I can. Definitely trying to not get any crumbs in that white buttercream because it's chocolate cake. You'll really see those crumbs. And then moving along on the sides, really letting the turntable do the work for me, just holding my spatula straight up and down. I can hear myself talk and I feel like I sound like a munchkin from The Wizard of Oz. So I'm sorry. Do I really sound like a munchkin? So what's everybody doing for New Year's Eve? Big plans, big party, or cozy night in? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you're doing. This buttercream is not working with me today. It's because I'm sick. Somebody hold me. Just gonna change up my water real quick and get some nice, fresh, really hot water. Oh yeah, also I'm wearing my New Year's Eve hat. I'm just fixing up those edges, trying to get them as sharp as possible. Just gonna wipe off this excess water that's accumulated at the bottom of the cake. And we're gonna start decorating. So here I have a mixture of different size gold and white balls. Balls. And I'm just going to stick them on the bottom of the cake. So I'm gonna pick up my cake gingerly, just grabbing a handful of these sprinkles. I'm just applying it to the base of the cake. Trying to make them fall back into the container, which usually doesn't happen. And there we go. I'm just gonna stick this bad boy into the fridge for about 20 minutes, pull it back out, we'll start decorating. So I just pulled the cake out of the fridge. The whole idea of this cake, I wanted to have a champagne bottle on the top, kind of pouring out. So I have here 5 different tips. I have a large round tip, a small star tip, a regular size star tip, a medium tip, and then a French tip. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this one, but I have it just in case. I also have some gold luster dust, just mixed with a little bit of vodka. And I also have a small piping bag. So I'm just going to be using the one piping bag, but just changing out the different tips. And I'm going to be doing some kind of scroll work, some fancy little swirls, just kind of making it look like that champagne is pouring down the side of the cake. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with my large tip here, and I'm just going to start making some really nice swirls like that. Random, very random. Just changing out my tip for a small star tip. And same kind of deal. Just random swirls. And it's okay if you go over top of the other ones. So I'm just making little S's. Backward S's and forward S's. Whole bunch of different S's. And just switching this out for my large trim tip. I call it a trim tip. Just gonna make little dots. Next, I'm just taking my luster dust, which I mixed with vodka, onto a paintbrush. And just randomly dabbing that buttercream. You can use gold leaf for this as well. It would work just as nice. And next I'm just taking some of those larger gold balls that we put on the bottom of the cake, and I'm just going to randomly stick them wherever the hell I want. Next, I printed out a photo of a bottle of champagne on some sugar paper. I'm just gonna cut this out. We're gonna stick some dowels in here and we're gonna make it look like that is pouring. That's it. So here it is, guys. Here is the New Year's Eve champagne cake. I hope you like it. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see all of you next year. Mwah!